Are you ready to take your breakfast experience to a whole new level? Envision a meal that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also nourishes your body from within. Today, I am venturing into the delightful realm of Chia Smoothie Bowls, an amalgamation of nutrition, flavor, and sheer visual beauty to kickstart your day. You're about to uncover the secrets behind crafting the ultimate Chia Smoothie Bowl that's as gratifying to consume as it is pleasing to the eyes. Be sure to stick around till the end, because by the time this video wraps up, you'll be bolting towards your kitchen to whip up your own delectable creation. I know the allure of the recipe is tempting, and that's why you're here, but bear with me as I explain what a Chia Smoothie Bowl is and its abundant health benefits. A Chia Smoothie Bowl is a delicious and nutritious breakfast or snack option, which is created with a base of blended fruits or vegetables mixed with super healthy chia seeds. These minute black seeds are nutrient-dense, boasting high amounts of fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and diverse micronutrients. When these seeds are mixed with a liquid, they absorb it, transforming into a gel-like texture which imparts a rich and creamy consistency. Chia Smoothie Bowls are not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients, making them a popular choice for those looking for a healthy and satisfying breakfast or snack option. They can be customized with various ingredients to suit individual preferences and dietary needs. I've provided links in the description for where you can buy chia seeds. If you use any of these links to make a purchase, you'll be supporting my channel's growth and sustainability, as I may earn a small commission from your purchase. Because I now know that you find this video informative so far, and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. I'd like to take a moment to ask for your support. This is a simple, easy, but significantly very important favor. It will only take a few seconds of your time and will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable, needed information like this. Now, please click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helped to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Here you'll find a treasure trove of information on how to live a healthy lifestyle, including delicious, nutrient-packed recipes and tips on how to interpret the signs your body sends you when something's off balance. Subscribing and commenting not only helps the growth of my channel, but also enriches this platform by making it more interactive. Whether it's a question, a suggestion, or a simple greeting, your comments add to the dialogue. So go ahead, click that subscribe button and become a part of this knowledge-packed community. By the way, if you watch this video on your television, you can use your mobile phone or your computer to complete these tasks. Also, do not forget to leave a comment. It could be as simple as saying hi or where you are watching from. I would love to hear from you. Smoothie bowls offer several health benefits, primarily depending on the ingredients used and their nutritional content. Here are some potential health benefits of incorporating smoothie bowls into your diet. Nutrient-rich. Smoothie bowls are often made with a variety of fruits, vegetables, and other nutritious ingredients, providing a wide array of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients essential for overall health. High in fiber, fruits, vegetables, and seeds used in smoothie bowls are rich in dietary fiber, which can aid digestion, promote regular bowel movements, and support gut health. Chia seeds in particular are an excellent source of fiber. Hydration. Smoothie bowls often contain hydrating ingredients such as fruits and coconut water, helping to maintain optimal hydration levels in the body. Weight management. Smoothie bowls can be a satisfying and nutrient-dense meal option that may help in managing weight when consumed as part of a balanced diet. The fiber and protein content can help promote feelings of fullness and satiety, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Boosts energy levels. The natural sugars present in fruits provide a quick source of energy, while the fiber and protein content help sustain energy levels over time, making smoothie bowls an excellent option for a pre-workout or post-workout meal. Supports immune function. Many ingredients commonly used in smoothie bowls, such as citrus fruits, berries and leafy greens, are rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants, which play a crucial role in supporting immune function and protecting against illnesses. Customizable and versatile. Smoothie bowls can be customized based on personal preferences and dietary restrictions, allowing individuals to tailor them to their specific nutritional needs and taste preferences. Promotes healthy skin. Nutrient-dense ingredients in smoothie bowls, such as fruits and nuts, contain vitamins and antioxidants that may help promote healthy skin, reduce inflammation, and protect against oxidative stress. It's essential to balance the ingredients in your smoothie bowl to ensure that it provides a good mix of macronutrients, carbohydrates, protein and healthy fats, and micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. Additionally, be mindful of portion sizes and avoid adding excessive amounts of sweeteners or high-calorie toppings to keep the calorie content in check. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, peeled and frozen, half a cup frozen mixed berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, half a cup spinach leaves, optional for added nutrients, half a cup unsweetened almond milk, or any milk of your choice. Toppings of your choice, such as sliced fresh fruits, granola, nuts, seeds, coconut flakes, or honey. Instructions: 1. Prep the chia seeds. In a small bowl, combine the chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Stir well and let the chia seeds soak for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they form a gel-like consistency. 2. Blend the smoothie base. In a blender, combine the frozen banana, frozen mixed berries, spinach leaves if using, soaked chia seeds, including any remaining water, and almond milk. Blend on high speed until smooth and creamy. If the mixture is too thick, you can add more almond milk as needed to reach your desired consistency. 3. Pour into a bowl. Once the smoothie base is smooth and creamy, pour it into a bowl. 4. Add toppings. Now comes the fun part. Top your chia smoothie bowl with your favorite toppings. Some popular options include sliced fresh fruits, such as berries, bananas, kiwi or mango, granola, nuts, such as almonds, walnuts or pecans, seeds, such as chia seeds, hemp seeds or pumpkin seeds, coconut flakes, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. 5. Enjoy. Your classic chia smoothie bowl is ready to be enjoyed. Grab a spoon and dig in. Feel free to customize this recipe based on your preferences and dietary needs. You can experiment with different combinations of fruits, greens, milk alternatives, and toppings to create your perfect chia smoothie bowl. Enjoy the delicious and nutritious goodness. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to chia smoothie bowls. Get ready to embark on a gastronomic journey that's as good for your body as it is for your soul. Your comments, thoughts, and experiences are invaluable, so don't hesitate to leave them down below in the comment section. Share this video with your loved ones. You may inspire them to embark on their own health journey. Staying informed is vital for a healthier, happier life. I've done my best to provide you with accurate information, but it's essential to remind you that the information provided in this video is intended for informational and educational purposes only. Before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, please consult with a healthcare professional. We all have unique dietary needs and health conditions, so it's important to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals who understand your individual health profile. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health. What works for one person may not work for another. So listen to your body, make informed decisions, and find what works best for you. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, until my next video, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning. Thanks for tuning in.